Happy morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss topic about role of finance system in economic development of country. What is finance system? A finance system within the scope of finance is a system that allows the exchange of funds between lenders, investors and borrowers. Finance systems operate at national, global and firm specific level. Money, credit and finance are used as media of exchange in finance system. Role of finance system in economic development. The development of any country depends on the economic growth and the country achieves over a period of time. Economic growth deals about investment and production and also the extent of gross domestic product in a country. Only when this grows, the people will experience growth in the form of improved standard of living, namely economic development. Let us discuss the topic. The following are the roles of finance system in the economic development of a country. The first one is savings investment relationship. To attain economic development, a country needs more investment and production. This can happen only when there is a facility for savings, as such savings are channelized to productive resources in the form of investment. Here, the role of finance system institutions is important. The next one is finance system helps in growth of capital market. Any business requires two types of capital, namely fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital is used for investment in fixed assets like plant and machinery, while working capital is used for day-to-day running of businesses. The next one is about government securities market. Finance system enables the state and central governments to raise both short-term and long-term funds through the issue of bills and bonds which carry attractive rates of interest along with tax concessions. Let's discuss about topic that is finance system helps in infrastructure and growth. Economic development of any country depends on the infrastructure facility available in the country. In the absence of key industries like coal, power and oil, development of other industries will be hampered. This is the importance of finance systems help in infrastructure and growth in various sectors of infrastructure industries. Let us discuss the topic finance system helps in development of trade. The finance system helps in the promotion of both domestic and foreign trade. The finance institutions, finance traders and the financial market helps in discounting finance instruments such as bills. Foreign trade is promoted due to pre-shipment and post-shipment finance by commercial banks. They also issue letter of credit in favor of the importer. It means nothing but they provide some finance to the persons or entrepreneurs who are doing the trade between countries. Let us move to the next concept, that is employment growth is boosted by finance system. The presence of finance system will generate more employment opportunities in the country. The money market, which is part of finance system, provides working capital to the businessmen and manufacturers due to which production increases, resulting in generate more employment opportunities. That is the importance of employment growth in boosted by finance system. Let us go into the next concept, that is venture capital. There are various reasons for lack of growth of venture capital companies in India. The economic development of a country will be rapid when more ventures are promoted which require more technology and venture capital. Venture capital cannot be provided by the individual companies as it involves more risks. The next one is about financial system ensures balanced growth. Economic development requires a balanced growth, which means growth in all sectors simultaneously, primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Let us move to the next concept, that is financial system helps in fiscal discipline and control of economy. It is through the finance system that the government can create a congenial business atmosphere so that neither too much of inflation nor depression is experienced. The industry should be given suitable protection through the finance system so that their credit requirements will be met even during the difficult period. This is the importance of finance system helps in fiscal discipline and control of economy. And let's discuss about topic finance system roles in balanced region development. Through the finance system, backward areas could be developed by providing various concessions. This ensures a balanced development throughout the country, and this will mitigate political or any other kind of disturbances in the country. It will also check migration of rural population towards towns and cities. And let us discuss next concept, that is role of finance system in attracting foreign capital. Finance system promotes capital markets. A dynamic capital market is capable of attracting funds both from domestic and abroad. The next concept is about finance system role in economic integration. Finance system of different countries are capable of promoting economic integration. This means that in all those countries there will be common economic policies such as common investment, trade, commerce, commercial law, employment legislation, old age pension, transport, coordination, etc. The next one is about role of finance system in political stability. The political conditions in all the countries with a developed finance system will be stable. Unstable political environment will not only affect their finance system but also their economic development. Next one is about finance system helps in uniform interest rates. The finance system is capable of bringing an uniform interest rates throughout the country by which there will be balanced movement of funds between centers, which will ensure availability of capital for all kinds of industries. Let us move the next concept, that is last but not least, that is financial system role in electronic development. Due to the development of technology and induction of computers in the finance system, the transactions have increased manifold, bringing in changes for the all-round development of the country. The promote of WTO, that is World Trade Organization, has further improved international trade and the finance system in all its member countries. Thank you.